Without any copywriting, without any screenshots, no beautifully designed PDF, just a simple sentence that perfectly explains the value that you offer. On Instagram recently, I got a question that was basically, how do I put a case study together in a way that's appealing for a cold email? Do I attach a PDF? Like, what do I do here, Alex? Is basically what it said. And in today's email, I want to talk about why PDF case studies are irrelevant and go through several examples of how you can turn your projects into one-sentence case studies. Without any copywriting, without any screenshots, no beautifully designed PDF, just a simple sentence that perfectly explains the value that you offer. Let's jump into this thing now. Here's a cold email script we've used a lot to book meetings for digital agencies, and the gist is this. Hey, came across your name while looking for contacts at company, definitely a fan of what you do. I'm with Agency, a Los Angeles-based full-service digital agency. Then the one-sentence case study, which is what we're writing today. We've worked with Company One creating a new web portal with a custom e-commerce platform, enabling them to sell direct to consumer for the first time and expanding their market worldwide. Reaching out because we've helped several great companies similar to your company with their mobile apps and wanted to see if they were with their niche, or what do you call these, with their industry. And this would be something like with their website development, with their mobile development, with their SEO, with their Facebook ads. These are the examples we're going to go through in a second. So that's what you would write here in industry. And wanted to see if you're open to discussing your digital goals for 2017. Ooh. Can you tell this is an old script? Would you be open to a quick call? Happy to send over a few times, best, Matt. Congrats on partnering with Portfolio Item. This is the part we want to write today. Everything else you can use as is. So let's do it. Here's the template. We've worked with company to create a new web portal with custom e-commerce to thing you built, enabling them to your results. That is efficiency. Why am I releasing all of this for free on YouTube? We've worked with company to do thing you built, enabling them to your results. That is the one-sentence case study. So for website development, we've worked with Walmart to design and develop their global website, which has led to a 35% increase in purchases and a 10% increase in repeat visits. Done. All right, mobile development. We worked with Starbucks to optimize the back end of their mobile rewards app, which reduced their load time by 86% and has directly led to more 5-star reviews in the App Store. Done. SEO. Let's do a local business example. We helped Bill's Hardware write content and generate real backlinks, which led to them being number 2 in all of Houston and increased their number of leads by 465%. Done. Facebook ads. You get what I'm doing? You get what I'm doing with this? Facebook ads. We helped Whoa Hello, an e-commerce store, write multiple Facebook ads and optimized their campaigns to generate 600,000 new sales with just 38,000 in ad spend. Done. And the way that this will look in an email, if that wasn't clear, I'll just put it down here. So we put it in right here, your one-sentence case study right there. And I'll do this for the rest. If you want this doc, by the way, it is available for download. Check it out in the description below. Here it is for mobile development and Facebook ads. There you go. One-sentence case studies, ready to go. You can have them in the description. Use these and let me know down in the comments, how did these emails do? This subject line quick question is also one of our highest performing subject lines. And I've shown this in a video. On some tests, we've had close to 80 or 90% open rates with this subject line. You can have that as well. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Keep watching the videos on this channel. We do 3 videos a week. It's almost always about sales or B2B training. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching.